Leaders, pioneers, inventors. There are many names we are associated with. At Mahindra, we create breakthrough products that enable our customers to rise. Our range of pickups is a true embodiment of this philosophy. Being leaders in this category puts greater responsibility on us to bring in the latest and reinvent ourselves and enable this new generation to create their own success stories and rise. With this philosophy in mind, we created an all-new futuristic brand that will lead the evolution of the legendary Mahindra pickups. Today marks the beginning of an epic saga, the future generation of Mahindra pickups, the all-new Bolero MAHINDRA pickup. With MAHINDRA technology, MAHINDRA comfort, MAHINDRA style, MAHINDRA safety, MAHINDRA performance, MAHINDRA profit. The new futuristic Bolero MAHINDRA pickup, MAHINDRA माने सबसे ज़्यादा. And it is these MAHINDRA values that we are obsessed with, not just in terms of design, but also with the technology that delivers maximum performance across all terrains, be it intercity or intracity applications. Talking about intracity applications, the rising aspirations of city dwellers coupled with increasing penetration of e-commerce leading to higher demand generation and greater need for logistics solutions. Bolero MAHINDRA pickup City 3000 that makes business easier and more profitable in the city application. Introducing a path-breaking segment-first iMAXX technology, iMAXX telematics solution, geofencing and monitoring the vehicle's live location and vehicle health parameters results in saving time and fuel, culminating in more profits. In cities, customers have long working hours and the vehicle's cabin becomes their first home. Hence, the cabin has the comfortable 3-passenger seating and has the first-in-category height adjuster seat for driver. Safety always comes first. Again, first in the category, turn-safe lights ensure better visibility on blind turns. It is powered by the most trusted M2 DICR engine, offering best-in-class mileage of 17.2 kilometers per liter and performance in any condition, ultimately resulting in more uptime for business. It also has the best-in-class payload capacity of 1,300 kilograms and the widest cargo bed, resulting in 5 to 10% additional cargo space and more capabilities. The new MAHINDRA pickup also has the first-in-category 20,000 kilometer service interval, along with 3-year or 1 lakh kilometer warranty, thus offering absolute peace of mind. To sum up the new Bolero MAHINDRA pickup, City 3000 comes with सबसे ज़्यादा value offering, telematics technology, higher comfort, higher payload, and more capability than anything else in the market, which will make sure that our customers can maximize their profits to full potential. Bolero MAHINDRA pickup City 3000. MAHINDRA माने सबसे ज़्यादा.